Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Phoenix. And yes, it's been a very long time, probably like 4 months or 5 months something. And I have a reason, okay guys. My exams were going on, so yes, since my 7th grade is over, yeah, so basically I can like code anytime now. So yeah, let's do this. Anyways guys, so in today's video we're gonna be creating a project called Pizzeria. So basically in this, different types of pizzas are given. We can see the menu and we can like add different types of pizza menus. So yeah, let's see how to do it, guys. Anyway, so first we give a HTML, and then in the HTML there is a head. Obviously we open the head tag, and then we give a title. The title is Pizzeria, and this is some basic stuff in which the meta name is given, which is viewport content width equals to device minus width and comma initial scale equals to 1. Then link delete is style sheet and its ref equals to this stupid big link. I will send a link in the description, guys. So yeah, the script source is again this stupid long link, and there is another script source link, and it's again sent it in description. Link relay, there is another link, it's in that in description as well, guys. And yes, the script source we're going to get from the main.js. And now we're gonna do we're gonna close the head. Now we are going to start a coding. We're gonna open the body tag. Inside the body tag there is a div tag in which the class is top nav, and there is an anchor class which is active, and href equals to Pizzeria, which is the title. And then we're going to open another div tag which is div class equals to tool nav right, okay, and anchor tag equals to href equals to hashtag view block, and in which we are going to like view the menu. And then there is add toppings in which we are going to add the menu. So I'll just show you the demo real quick. So this is the anchor tag. Oh wait, sorry, this is the anchor tag and this is another anchor tag. So when we click on view menu, the menu is going to, okay, never mind. When I click on show menu, the menu comes here, and when we click on add menu, it takes us down here, and we can add anything we want. For example, paneer pizza. Then we click on show pizza, then we click on add pizza. Okay, so we like show all the pizzas. Then when we click on add, you can see that it comes here. So yes, this is the basic demo. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, then we close the div, we close both the divs. Then there is another div called div class equals to row, and the id is view block. Okay, then we close the div tag here, and there is div class equals to image div, and there is an image class which is image responsive, and the source is pizza.png. Now the pizza.png looks like this. This is the source of the image, and the image is here. So this is what we're talking about. This is the division, okay. Then there is another div id which is the display menu. Alright, so we create a div class equals to menu.div. Then we add a button which is id menu list, and when we on click it, we get the get menu and then the show menu. So this button is the show menu button, which is show menu. So this is the button. Alright, then we close all the 3 divs. Then we create another div in which this is called a new row, and id is add toppings. So add toppings is somewhere here, I guess. I don't remember where it is. Okay, add toppings is the name of that. So see here, type here to add toppings. So that is the text, right? And then input id equals to add item. So when we input, right, it will like add an item, and the placeholder, this is the text in which we wrote type here to add toppings. Then there is another button which is add, and there is another button in which we show the pizza. So first it show the button in which it shows the pizza, it basically like shows the pizza, and for adding it adds the new type of pizza in which you wrote in the text bar. Okay, then we create another final div class equals to block 2 and div id equals to display add menu. Then we close all the divs. Finally there is a last div, image class equals to image responsive and source is topping. So this div, you guys will be wondering, topping is this, right? So the topping comes here. This is the topping. So this is another div. Alright. Now we are done with the index.html. Now we're going to start with main.js. Okay. Now we're going to click create a list array in which there is like all the basic pizza. So the first one is peppy paneer, Mexican green leaf, deluxe veggie, non-veg supreme, chicken dominator, and pepper barbecue and onion. Now you can you guys can like type anything you want, like any type of pizza you want. Okay. Now we're going to get the function get menu. So get menu is this one, like view menu, I guess. Now where was the get menu? Where did we use the get menu? Get menu, yep, here. So the show menu button. So for the show menu button, that is the get menu. So we have to like write the function get menu for that. Alright. So this whole thing is the function get menu. So var.html data. Alright. Now we're going creating a variable which is HTML data, and then we are storing some function that HTML data equals to OL class equals to menu list, and then menu list array, this array we're going to sort it. Okay, we're going to sort it. Now we're writing a condition which is a for condition. For variable I equals to 0 semicolon I menu list array dot length I plus plus HTML data equals to HTML data plus li plus menu list array plus we're going to close the li. So this is like basically the function in which we're getting the menu, right? HTML data equals to HTML data plus ol. This is also content for getting the get menu. And then finally document dot get element by sorry. So yes, document dot get element by id display name dot in HTML equals to HTML data. Now we creating another function which is add item. Now where do we see add item? Add item here. So this is for showing the pizza, alright? Showing the pizza, which is right here. Show the pizza. So this is right over here. So function add item. We are again creating a variable which is HTML data. HTML data, right? And then we create another variable which is item equals to document or get element by id in which we're going to add the item, alright? So then we're going to again sort the menu list array, and then the HTML data equals to section class equals to cards. Then we're creating another variable, like what do you say, condition. Yes, we're creating another condition, and then HTML data equals to HTML data plus section, like how we did in the above. And then finally document dot get element by id display added menu. So this is the added menu. And then finally function add top. Now where do we see add top? Add top here, in which we add the new toppings. So variable item equals to document dot get element by id add item. So we're like taking the variable the add item, and then again we're going to push the item, meaning it will, the push function is basically for adding an item, alright? And then we're going to add the item, like we basically take this this function, right? Alright. And then finally the CSS. So body background image equals to URL, which is bg.jpg. This is the background image. This is how we should keep it. You guys can I guess you guys have to keep this, so yeah. Anyways, now we're going to do the top nav function. We're going to add CSS to it. So its overflow is hidden, background color I kept it as black, and its position is sticky, top is 0, width is 100%. Then is top nav A. So float left, color is white, font family cursive, text align center, padding 14 pixel and 16 pixel, text decoration we have kept as none, and the font size we have kept as 17 pixel. Then is dot top nav A, hover. So background color is white and color is black. Then dot top nav right, float is right. Then is dot row after, content is quote, and then clear is both, and display is stable. Then is dot image div, in which float is left, width is 50%, padding is 5 pixel. Then dot menu div, in which float is right, width is 50%, padding is 160 pixel, color is honeydew, which is almost like white, and then font size, which is 25 pixel, and then finally font family, which is cursive. Next is menu list. In the menu list, the background color is yellow, the color is black, width is 200 pixel, and border is none. And then is dot new row after, content is again quote, clear both, display table. Block 1, float left with 20%, padding 5 pixel. Block 2, float left with 80 pixel, padding 5 pixel, color honeydew, font size 25 pixel, and font family cursive. Next is add toppings with 150 pixel, height 100 pixel, border none, background color I've kept as red, color black, font size 15 pixel, and font family is cursive. Next is add item, font family is cursive, font size 15 pixel, line height 20 pixel, width 80%, height 50 pixel, color white, background none, border none, border bottom 1 pixel, solid white RGB, which is 223, 205, 205, and we've got the outline as none. Then this is what the placeholder, guys, in which you remember this placeholder, type here to add toppings. Alright, so this is that placeholder. Transition is text indent 0.4 seconds, 0.4 seconds ease. Text indent is minus 100%, opacity 1, color white. Then is image 1, IM1, width 100 pixel, height 80 pixel. So let's see how it looks in total. So this is how it looks in total. So we click the show menu, which is like from the JS thingy. Click on view menu. This is the view menu in which we click show menu. Then we click on add menu, in which we add the toppings. So basically I take onion, okay, never mind, pineapple. We first show the pizza, then we add pineapple pizza. Alright, so yes, this is how it works. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from this. Okay, and send the project link in the description and the other basic links in the description. So yes guys, thank you for watching, and yes, Codec Phoenix is back again.